God, what is that? I was running so fast. Let me scoot back.
Did you see the shooting star over there?
No. I think that's the stars. I don't know if you can see them. The clouds. This is our neighbor's house. This is our house. And the clouds. I don't know, but it's all over. I don't know, baby. Holy crap, did you see that?
Yeah, it's like Independence Day. It's like the cloud coming.
Oh my God.
It's getting bigger, so it's coming this way. Still recording?
Yeah.
Record as long as it'll let you.
I don't know how long that will be.
Well, we'll get you another card if we have to, because that's freaking amazing.
I don't have that much left, I don't think. This is just where you people who are watching, this is lighting up the entire sky.
Point up, because you can see how clear the sky is. There's nothing here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but
There's a star.
You can see every star.
Or planet, whatever.
It's all clear except for there.
Yeah, look, you can see the little stars on here. See the stars? All around us.
It's just a big cloud coming.
This is the house in front of us. You can see it flashing. Man, I wish I could see more.
Okay, that's just another thing. I saw it.
And now it's not.
In the middle of the.
Now it's not focusing.
It's
there
big
we go.
because it's way over there too. Every now and then you can see some of it, but it's huge.
There we go. There, yeah. It doesn't know where to focus. That's the problem.
Right. It seems like it's coming this way, but if it is, it's moving very slow. You see it going up. All that lightning.
Was that lightning?
Yeah, all the lightning I keep seeing is going up. It's coming out the top too every now and then.
What the? I wonder if I can walk over here in between the house.
Oh yeah. Well, there's trees.
I don't know. Look at that. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is crazy. Wow. Dude, it just looks like a dome.
Yeah, I know.
Doesn't it? Look.
It looks like it's all the way down to the ground. It's just coming this way. We're going to be covered in lightning.
Oh my God. It's like stretching over miles.
It's like over a beach there right now.
Well, that would explain it, but I've never seen lightning do that.
No, not over and over again like that. Not even in a hurricane. This is Florida, and we're used to stuff like that.
I'm running down the street. Oh my God, babe. Sorry, guys, it has to focus. This is ridiculous.
Trying to think.
I guess that would be over the beach.
Yeah, I think we should call Vic and see what it's like over there. Like what?
You call. We're facing east right now. That is probably over the beach. Beach side. I don't know how far. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the house. keep it on record as long as I can. And notice, this is our street. Nothing in the sky, not a cloud. The only clouds are over there. More stars. Okay, and we're back in front of the house. It seems like it's getting farther away. And now there's a car coming. Now he turned on the light. Babe, it looks like it's getting farther away.
Hey. Is there like crazy weather over there right now? Like, is it raining or?
There's the stars, the pretty
I just
stars.
saw another one over there, babe.
Where? Are you serious?
A ball of light go that way. There's like, you can see crazy shit over here. We're taking a video of it. I was just wondering like how it was over there because it's that way.
Oh, never mind. It's getting wider. In the car.
Yeah, it's like getting wider and stuff. It's crazy over here. Leah's taking a video. I had to run back inside and get her. I keep seeing like balls of light.
It looks like it's getting farther away though. That's the thing. Like, it's getting bigger and it's spreading out.
Right.
But it looks like it's getting farther, and now my camera's not focusing.
Right, like I came out our front door and across the street, it almost looked like there was a strobe light flashing on the house across the street because it was all dark. And then like I walked out to the driveway and looked over there, and it was just crazy. I called her and she grabbed her camera. Oh yeah. That's crazy. And the whole sky is clear except for that one spot because like I mean you can see every star right now. Gotcha. It's like crazy looking from here. What do you see, like what was above you?
You can still
Wow.
see it flashing across the street.
All right. Well, we were just calling because we were wondering what it was like there. So. Gotcha. Okay. Well, yeah, we will. I'm sure she'll upload it too. So.
8 videos worth, or 8 minutes worth.
She's already got like 8 minutes worth right now.
But it's cool.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay. Cool. All right. Cool. You can see more over here than above our roof. In between.
That blue light is throwing it off.
Yeah, where is that blue light coming from? I saw it from that. That's weird.
I don't know. I think it's from our tree.
No, it's a reflection.
Oh.
Because our windows diagonal.
Oh. Well, these lights too
Yeah.
are fucking me up.
After my head manager was like, hey, are you up? But she's not. But she'll see the video.
Okay.
I need to look else for the team.
Wow.
That wasn't a promise you I wasn't seeing shooting star. Something else.
Well, I guess I'm gonna turn this off because it's not doing much now.